Hello, welcome back to Clint's Corner, your go-to spot for everything packaging. Today we are diving into the world of custom box fittings. So when you're sending out those special products, whether it's a luxurious gift, a high-end gadget or even delicate glassware, you want them to arrive in pristine condition. That's where presentation box fittings come into play. These fittings provide a snug, secure and cushioned environment for your products. Cradle your items, preventing them from shifting, bumping or scratching against each other during transit. But it's not only about protection, it's also about presentation too. Imagine your customer receiving their order and opening the box to reveal a perfectly arranged, visually stunning interior. That's the magic of presentation box fittings. Whether it's a card insert precisely to cut each component of a product or to elegantly display an item, these fittings ensure that your products look their absolute best when unveiled. So when it comes to making that unforgettable impression, wowing your customers and protecting your products, don't underestimate the power of precision box fittings. Thank you for joining me today on Clint's Corner. Remember, it's not just about the box, it's about what's inside the box and how it's presented. We'll see you next time.